Hey, what's up, guys? It's John from Blackjack Contracting, the host of the REI Contractor Show. Welcome to our brand new job site. We're here on East 12th Street in Hamilton. We're going to do something kind of special here. We're going to do a duplex conversion compilation, I think they call it. We're going to record every step of the process and try to teach you something in the meantime of the process. So this is, it's a pretty cozy little bungalow. Got 2 bedrooms upstairs. We're going to do a nice, clean facelift upstairs. We're not going to go too crazy upstairs, but down here is going to be a complete gut job, brand new 2-bedroom suite. The permits are sitting with the city right now. We're going to get the bin dropped off today and get the demo and get it all prepped up and waiting for permit. And we're going to be doing new water line here. We're going to be doing new furnace here. We're going to be doing the upgrade to service here. It's going to be a complete duplex conversion with all the bells and whistles. It should be pretty fun. Things are going pretty good right now, COVID time, but you know, we're with all these new cases, we're getting a little bit worried about the shutdown. So hopefully we get our permit in time and keep it like last time, and everything will be good. As you guys know, lumber is a little pricey right now, so we got to get all our orders in before it gets worse. And this should be a pretty fun project. We're going to take you every step of the way, and I look forward to the journey. Here with our customer Chris at his brand new project here on East 12th Street in Hamilton. This is a nice bungalow duplex conversion. And so Chris, tell me about what you thought about this place when you found it.
Yeah, this place is awesome. You know, it's a private sale. It's located here in Hamilton, and we're going to be doing a duplex conversion on this. I mean, we're calling it the Cozy Bungalow because it really is cozy, and it's going to be a good job. So I'm really happy that I'm teaming up here with John from Blackjack.
So we're going to be doing a video documentary on this on this property, and it's going to be a lot of fun. We'll take you through all the stages, and then at the end, we'll show you the whole thing, and hopefully we still have a happy customer.
I got you. For sure.